Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to configure code signing for a Lambda function in AWS. Let's start by navigating to the AWS Signer service, then click on Create Signing Profile. Give your profile a name, select a validity period, then click on Create Profile. Next, let's navigate to the Lambda service, then head to Code Signing Configurations. Hit the Create Configuration button, then give your configuration a description. Select the signing profile that we just created, then choose a validation policy, then hit Create. Next, let's open our Lambda function file, which prints Hello from Lambda on the console. Right-click on this file and hit Compress to zip it. Now I'm going to navigate to the S3 service and upload this zip file to a test bucket. Navigate to the AWS Signer window and click on Start Signing Job. For source location, copy-paste the S3 URI of the zip file that we just uploaded. Choose the latest object version. Then for the destination path, I'm going to create a new folder called Signed in the same test bucket, then hit Start Job. If we navigate back to our test bucket in S3, we should see a new signed folder with a new signed zip file. Next, let's head to the Lambda service, then click on Create Function and give it a name. Choose Python for runtime, then expand the advanced settings and enable code signing. Select the code signing configuration that we created in one of the earlier steps, then copy-paste the S3 URI of the signed zip file. Hit Create Function, then navigate to the code source section. Here you should see a message saying your function has signed code and cannot be edited inline. To execute this Lambda function, navigate to the Test tab, then give your test event a name. Hit the Test button, then expand the execution logs. Looks like our function worked as expected. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.